guys, welcome to the channel. So today I will be showcasing you my peppers. I planted some cayenne pepper and they are really good. They are doing well. Just that I'm a little bit confused. I was thinking these peppers were going to be red, but up to now, actually I've been experiencing some red colored peppers, but the majority is still green. Even though the peppers look big and matured, I'm just going to give them some little time to see if they are going to turn into red. If not, then I'm forced to harvest them in their green color. But hopefully they are going to turn. So I'm just going to give them maybe 2 weeks and see if after that the color is still green. I'm forced to harvest them like that. So yeah, the peppers are really looking good. They are big, they are long, and they are really well. I also have some green paprikas. The green paprikas are also doing well. So yeah, that was just for this video. I just said I update you about my pepper, how they are doing, so you can all get a look and be inspired, and maybe next season you can grow your own chili peppers at home. This species is a cayenne pepper. So yeah, as you can see, I have a red pepper there. That's why I'm hoping that the other ones are going to turn red also. I'll just be patient and give them a time. Please, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next video.